Rabbar Foundation, Unit 236 Drinking Water and Sanitation Project, Village Akhnaka. The village of Akhnaka in the Mewat region of Haryana is home to people of all communities who live together in peace and harmony. However, due to a severe lack of basic facilities, the villagers have been facing numerous hardships. The biggest challenges were access to clean drinking water and the absence of proper sanitation, which made life especially difficult for women, young girls, and the elderly. A daily struggle. The water crisis in the village was so severe that people had to walk miles just to fetch water for drinking and household use. Women bore the brunt of this burden, struggling every day to secure clean water. The lack of toilets forced women and girls to go into the fields and forests at night, putting them in unsafe and unhygienic conditions. Rabbar Foundation, a ray of hope. Rabbar Foundation, dedicated to solving issues in underprivileged areas, launched the Unit 236 Drinking Water and Sanitation Project in village Akhnaka to bring much-needed relief. Under this project, a large borewell was installed to provide villagers with easy access to clean drinking water for daily use. 3 modern toilets, separate for ladies and gents, were built, ensuring a safe and dignified sanitation facility for women. A washing area and sinks were set up, promoting hygiene and cleanliness in the village. A water storage and distribution system was installed to ensure a continuous supply of clean water to the residents. A new beginning for the people of Akhnaka. With this project successfully completed, life in the village has significantly improved. Women no longer have to risk their safety to use the restroom, and families no longer have to walk long distances to fetch drinking water. This initiative has brought not only convenience but also better health and hygiene to the community. Gratitude to the generous donors. The success of this project is owed to the kind-hearted donors who selflessly contributed their wealth for the well-being of those in need. These generous individuals, who support humanity with open hearts, truly deserve appreciation and recognition. May Allah bless these generous donors with increased wealth and prosperity, bring happiness and peace to their homes, and reward them abundantly in this life and the hereafter. Ameen. Rabbar Foundation's other humanitarian projects. Beyond the Unit 236 Drinking Water and Sanitation Project, Village Akhnaka, Rabbar Foundation is actively engaged in other charitable initiatives, including employment programs for the unemployed, financial support for underprivileged girls' weddings, food and ration distribution, wheelchair distribution for the disabled, medical camps, housing projects for the needy. Join the movement. Rabbar Foundation's efforts are a beacon of hope for not just Mewat but all regions lacking basic amenities. If you wish to contribute to this noble cause, you can donate, volunteer, or spread awareness to help expand these life-changing projects. Be a part of the change, because change comes through action, not just intention.
पानी सबन को फायदा हो लैट्रिन बाथरूम को पानी ना हमारे सबन को फायदा हो हमें सारी औरतन को
लैट्रिन बनने से हमारे गांव में बहुत फायदा हो पानी को भी हमारे जब कई बार लाइट ना करी तो उन्हें दूर दूर पानी को जाना पड़ा करो और अंधेरा में बेचारी लैट्रिन को जाए करी उन्हें बेचारी शर्म आए करी दिन में कहीं ना जा पाए करी तो यहाँ से हमको इतना फायदा हो कि भाई हम यहाँ में आके कभी भी लैट्रिन जा सकें।